Looking for cookware that truly stands the test of time? The One Lodge pre-seasoned cast iron 5-piece set offers unmatched durability and versatility that transforms your cooking experience. Whether you're searing, sautéing, baking, or grilling, this set delivers consistent heat and flawless results every time. What sets this cast iron set apart is its thoughtful design and quality. Each piece comes pre-seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil, so you skip the hassle of initial seasoning and get straight to cooking. The heavy-duty pans and lid boast easy grip handles for secure control, plus the lid's self-basting tips keep your dishes moist and flavorful. You can use them on the stove, in the oven, on the grill, or even over a campfire, making this set a true all-rounder for every kitchen and outdoor adventure. I've tested this set myself and was immediately impressed by the weight and craftsmanship. These aren't flimsy pans you replace after a few months. They feel substantial, built to last a lifetime and beyond. Cooking with them is a joy. The heat distributes evenly, so your food cooks uniformly without hot spots. I'm especially excited about experimenting with the Dutch oven for baking bread, something I never thought I'd do at home with such ease. If you're considering investing in cast iron cookware, this set offers exceptional value. It combines professional-grade performance with user-friendly features at a price that's hard to beat. Plus, it's compatible with induction cooktops, expanding your cooking options even further. Many users rave about adding more Lodge pieces to their collection, and I'm already eyeing their loaf pans to complement this set. If that's you, someone who values quality, versatility, and longevity in cookware, this One Lodge pre-seasoned cast iron 5-piece set is worth a look. It's not just about owning cookware, it's about having a trusted partner in your kitchen for years to come. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference cast iron can make.